We need to be one team and work together.
Ultimately, we aim for autonomous.
Yes.
I love the fresh sea air. Yesterday, I learned so much from the team at PALFINGER Marine. Guys, you really need to check out that video. Well, today, I'm in Stavanger to meet PALFINGER's client/partner, Aker BP. Let's find Jan and get the ball rolling. Jan.
Hi Daniel.
How we doing, mate? I've got to tell you, I had a lot of fun yesterday.
Yeah, me too. That was fast.
Yeah, so tell me, where are we?
Today we are in Stavanger, outside the main building of Aker BP and Aker Solutions. So let's have a look what they're doing inside here.
Let's have a look.
Yep.
How you doing?
Hi Daniel, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi Jan, nice to meet you too. This is the Onshore Collaboration Center and I will show you around.
Yes, please. Okay, so tell me, I want to get straight into it. What am I looking at here? What is all this doing?
This is drilling and wells operation. They are monitoring the process from this area. They follow up with the offshore people. So in the future, offshore installations, there will be like say wind farms, fish farms and oil and gas. Remote operation, unmanned operations will be more the normal thing.
Okay. Why do you want remote operations?
Remote operations will be much safer. It will be more effective.
Not to put you on the spot, how far away are we? How long are we away from it?
3 years.
Yeah, we will start testing in 2 or 3 years.
Wow.
But the plan is to operate from a remote center, the new building, in 2030. Then we will do it from this area.
You've told me how we came to this point with the calibration thus far. So in the future, where are we taking remote and how does PALFINGER fit in with your plans for remote in the future?
We need to be one team and work together here for many years to make it work.
It's almost like a marriage.
Okay.
It's almost like a marriage.
A good marriage. Yeah.
So far, so good.
I'm learning a lot. I feel like I'm an expert on remote cranes. Show me where and how can I see how we can simulate remote control of a crane. Is there any way we can do it here?
Yes, downstairs we have a simulator center where we do simulation and planning of the lifting operation. So I can show you.
Please do.
Yes, follow me. Okay, let's go into the simulator for the cranes.
Hello.
How you doing?
Fine. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm admiring your massive gaming hall. Tell me, what's going on here? What am I looking at?
Yes. You can see here you have a crane driver chair.
Yes.
You have the view for the crane driver in real life. You can see the crane. We have put on the PALFINGER stiff-boom crane, and we have the Hugel B platform. Everything as is authentic. So this is a real model of what we shall build.
So this is what it's going to be like, apart from the wind and the rain, unless you're going to turn a fan on and throw a cup of water on me.
Yes.
This is going to be what it's like.
Yes, and I think you shall try this today.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So please take a seat, and you also need to wear a seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Safety first. You are on the edge.
Oh yes, I am. Look, Right.
And now you can see straight down to the boat.
Okay.
Between your legs.
So this is the delivery boat down here?
Yes, that's the boat that came with the containers.
Okay.
I heard some rumors that you have operated different machines with joysticks before. So I think you understand this quite easily.
I think we should never listen to rumors, but yes. All right. Okay. So I am going to lift the container. It's slightly swaying in the wind, just a bit.
Yes, just a bit, because it's a heavy container. The crane automatically can help you to calm down the load and hold it still.
Voila! And can you change the functions? Because I did so well, could you make it more difficult?
Here, for you.
Yeah, not now. I'm saying if. Could you make it, could you more waves, more
We
wind?
can add waves, wind, fog, whatever we want.
So you can really simulate the conditions offshore.
Yes.
Okay, so we're moving towards a future where we can keep people out of harm's way, keep them safe, and remotely, at first, we can teach people and people can learn to control things offshore, and ultimately we aim for autonomous.
Yes.
But guys, why don't we call Valdemar? He is on the Valhall platform right now, so if you call him up, we can have a look at how it really looks like out there in the real environment.
So he's actually there right now?
Yeah, and we can connect him via video call.
Great, and then I can compare the two, the
Yes.
simulator and what's actually happening.
Yep.
Valdemar, how's it going?
Oh, it's going perfect. It's a little bit windy, but it's going.
That's one of the reasons why we're going to talk. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you and here.
I've just been working here today on the remote crane. You know, I've had a go on it and I felt it a little bit, but I want to know from you, tell me the conditions which are actually out where you are now. Tell me the conditions. What does it feel like?
Okay, now it's actually pretty rough, because it's the wind speed. It's around 60 kilometers per hour, and it's extremely windy. It wasn't even easy to climb up all the way to the cabin.
Wow.
It's really windy, But let me show you around how it looks like in the cabin. So this is the crane cabin, and this is the crane seat.
See, that chair looks very familiar to me. Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is quite impressive, actually.
Okay, and tell me about the waves. What sort of movement do we have in the water? How high are the waves?
Okay, right now it's about between 4 or 5 meters now, so it's quite high. And I'm not sure that you can see how the vessel is moving.
Yes. And are these conditions okay to work, to lift off containers and put them back, or would you have to wait for them to improve?
No, you don't have to, but of course it's quite difficult. Especially that, for example, now I'm sitting, and then take a look now how far it is. It's approximately 60 meters now to the sea level.
Okay, and do you have any movement in the crane? Is the crane moving there?
Yeah, of course, a lot, quite a lot. Yeah, the whole cabin is moving. If you have to do the visual inspection, so it means that you have to go out. And then if it's really windy, it's really difficult to, for example, climb up to the top of the A-frame.
Can you show me around a bit more, please?
Yeah, we can go out and then I can show you.
Yes, please. I now have a much better understanding of what it's like offshore.
I hope that I showed you the things that you were looking for, but unfortunately I have to go. My guys are waiting for me.
They're waiting for you. Okay, I don't want to stop you anymore. I'll let you get back to work.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks, my man. Thank you.
See you, bye.
The last 2 days has been a fantastic learning and fun experience. Seeing PALFINGER and Aker BP working together towards a future with remote control cranes offshore and ultimately autonomous control. Now, this simulator, it's in my mind because it's so much fun, but this is one step towards creating offshore control from the comfort and the safety of an office, which isn't offshore. You're on land, safe, out of harm's way. So I'm really excited to be back and see this all working. And hopefully I can go on a speedboat again, because that's the first time I've actually gone so fast that the wind has managed to blow my hair. So it's been a fantastic experience. I'd like to thank everyone who's taken the time to show me around, and I will most definitely be back.